Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12, Module 12. This is our last really big module of content. Well, this and Module 13. The topic for these next two modules is formal commands. This is a hard topic. It's a more advanced topic. It's not something that we would usually do in a Spanish 1, but it is really important for healthcare because a lot of healthcare is about giving instructions. Come here, wait here. And to give those kind of instructions, you have to use formal commands. Even if you learn Spanish at home or you took Spanish in high school or something, this might not be a topic that you use all the time. You probably have heard more of the informal commands, which again is what you would use at home or with your friends. But when we're in a professional situation and talking to patients, we want to at least try to be more formal with these formal commands. So really make sure you go through the readings. There's videos as well. There's also another video of me telling you why it's so important to use the formal commands. Under the readings, there's also a list of irregulars. Make sure you download that list and keep that list with you for the quiz and for the speaking assignment, because there are some verbs that just are irregular. And again, download that list and keep it with you for the quiz and for the speaking assignments. This week, there's also, again, information about the final project. Make sure you're thinking about that. Once we finish this topic, you can start working on your scripts because this topic must be included in the final project. We have our homework packet. We have our last discussion board about the pronouns, so make sure you read the articles and comment on the discussion board by Wednesday, and then the speaking assignment and the quiz. Email me if you have questions. This is a hard topic, and Google Translate and stuff does not form the formal commands. If you put it into Google Translate, it gives you informal, so don't do it. Email me if you have questions, okay? Again, anytime you have questions, let me know. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.